When you search for the best Tag Heuer watches for men, everything looks the same. Same styles, similar claims. But if you really want to know which watches stand out and why, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Tag Heuer Connected Caliber E4 Golf Edition. The Tag Heuer Connected Caliber E4 Golf Edition caught my eye immediately with its sleek white strap and sporty design. Priced at $899, this smartwatch perfectly blends luxury with functionality. If you want a high-tech watch that enhances your golfing experience, this is worth a serious look. This watch is specifically designed for golf enthusiasts. It features a stunning 2D high-resolution display that provides distances and hazards of over 40,000 golf courses worldwide. Imagine having a personal caddy on your wrist. Additionally, it tracks your heart rate, steps, and even allows you to receive calls and messages. With a battery life of around 24 hours, it's reliable for long days on the course. Here's why this matters for you. If you're serious about your game, this watch helps you make better shots and manage your performance. Now, some users mention that the battery could drain quickly if you use all the features heavily. Here's the thing though, if you charge it nightly, it shouldn't be an issue for most casual golfers. If you're someone who uses every single feature constantly, you might want to consider that. This is perfect for you if you're an avid golfer looking to improve your game with tech. Skip this one if you're not into golf or prefer a classic watch style. For the value, you're getting a luxurious smartwatch that's made for performance and style. Now, if the price of the Golf Edition felt a bit steep, the next one on my list offers a different angle while still packing a punch. Product number 2, Tag Heuer Connected Caliber E4 Oracle Red Bull Racing Edition. The Tag Heuer Connected Caliber E4 Oracle Red Bull Racing Edition is a true head-turner. With its striking blue and red accents, this 45mm smartwatch is priced at $1,294. If you want a watch that screams speed and precision, this one is a fantastic choice. This watch is crafted for fans of motorsports. It features exclusive racing-inspired watch faces and a dedicated app to track the Red Bull Racing team's journey. The watch is built from durable black DLC-coated titanium and is water-resistant up to 50 meters, meaning it can handle both the track and everyday life. The impressive battery life of around 32 hours means it won't quit on you during crucial moments. Here's why this matters. If you're a motorsport aficionado, this watch gives you insights and style that fit your lifestyle perfectly. However, some users pointed out that the watch can be a bit on the bulky side for smaller wrists. Honestly, if you prefer a more lightweight feel, that's something to keep in mind. But if you love bold designs and tech, it's still a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you're a motorsport fan who wants to show off your passion. Skip it if you prefer more understated timepieces. Considering its features, the price feels justified for a premium smartwatch designed for speed lovers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a classic, timeless look. Product number 3, Tag Heuer Automatic Watch with Blue Dial. The Tag Heuer Automatic Watch with the blue dial is classic elegance personified. With a price that's hard to find, this watch offers a timeless design that stands out. If you're looking for a sophisticated accessory for any occasion, this is worth a serious look. This watch features a 39mm stainless steel case and a stunning blue dial that's easy to read. The brushed and polished stainless steel bracelet adds a level of luxury without being overly flashy. It runs on Swiss automatic movement, meaning you don't have to worry about batteries. Here's why this matters for you. With its classic style and reliable movement, this watch can be a staple in your wardrobe for years. Now, some reviews mention that the size might be too small for those who prefer larger watches. Here's the thing though, if you appreciate a more understated look, this size actually works beautifully. But if you're into oversized watches, it's something to consider. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile watch that transitions easily from work to play. Skip it if you prefer bolder designs or larger watch faces. For its price, it's an investment in timeless style and quality. Now, if you want something that truly stands out in both looks and performance, the next watch might be right up your alley. Product number 4, Tag Heuer Carrera Porsche Special Edition Watch. The Tag Heuer Carrera Porsche Special Edition watch is a stunning piece priced at $7,500. This watch is a must-see for car enthusiasts and collectors alike. If you're looking for a watch that reflects precision and speed, this is worth a serious look. With a unique gray dial and an automatic movement, this 40-form watch combines style and functionality. It features a fixed bezel and is water-resistant up to 100 meters, which means it can handle a bit of splashing around. Here's why this matters. If you're a car lover or appreciate fine craftsmanship, this watch connects you to the world of high performance and luxury. However, I have to be honest, most people might find the price tag a bit intimidating. Here's the thing though, if you consider yourself a serious collector, the exclusivity and craftsmanship can justify the cost. If you're not ready to invest heavily in a watch, this one might not be for you. This is perfect for you if you're an avid car enthusiast wanting to showcase your passion. Skip this one if you're looking for everyday wear or a budget-friendly option. For what you get, it's a statement piece that reflects luxury and performance. Now let's wrap up and compare all these fantastic options. Product number 5, Watch Winder for Automatic Watches. The Watch Winder for Automatic Watches by Unimella is a practical accessory for watch lovers priced at $25.19. If you want to keep your automatic watches wound and ready to wear, this is definitely worth a serious look. This winder features a premium carbon fiber leather construction that not only looks stylish but also protects your watches. It uses a quiet Japanese motor, which means you can keep it in your bedroom without disturbing your sleep. The adjustable pillow fits a variety of watch sizes, making it versatile. Here's why this matters. Keeping your automatic watch wound ensures it maintains accuracy and is always ready when you are. Now, some users mention that it might not accommodate larger watches well. Here's the thing though, if you have a standard-sized watch, it works perfectly. For larger pieces, it might be something to consider, but for most collectors, it's a great addition. This is perfect for you if you own multiple automatic watches and want to keep them in top shape. Skip this one if you don't have automatic watches or prefer manual winding. For its price, it's a no-brainer for any watch enthusiast looking to protect their investment. To sum it up, we've explored the Tag Heuer Connected Caliber E4 Golf Edition for tech-savvy golfers, the Oracle Red Bull Racing Edition for motorsports fans, the classic charm of the Tag Heuer automatic watch, the exclusivity of the Carrera Porsche Special Edition, and the practicality of the watch winder. Each has unique features that cater to different tastes and needs, so no matter your style, there's a Tag Heuer watch that fits you perfectly.